Alignment looks good. Pads are clean. Moving to test point 4. Signal steady. No shorts. Rotate for connector inspection.
I'm loading the toolpath for the aluminum housing. Touching off here. Spindle speed 4,800. That's the clearance pocket, 60,000 depth. Sim running clean. Coordinates locked, ready to cut.
The flexible Bluetooth antenna is guided into the curved recess, copper traces following the contour of the housing. A light press secures the contacts, and a single screw locks it in place.
Another one, ready to ship.
On this line, every Bluetooth speaker passes through more than a dozen hands. Each stop adds precision. Fasteners torqued to spec, circuits tested, grills aligned.
Other than the touch. Torque set green light. Line check. Good arc. Calibration holds. They're solid.
Ready? Got it. Forks in. All right, she's clear. Rolling out.
Sweep looks smooth. No resonances jumping out. Rolling off right where it should. All right, locking in these results. Another one cleared.
As each cabinet glides beneath the gates of steel arms, atomized paint is laid down in a controlled cloud. The texture is intentional, measured in microns.
Every component is accounted for the moment it's scanned. The system confirms the barcode, logs the location, and updates the count in real time. Behind each beep is a traceable record.
Each lead is cut, stripped, and dressed by the machine in a rhythm of servos and pneumatics. The copper is exposed in millimeter exact lengths, then pressed into gold plate.
I set each driver in its pocket so it can't shift during the trip. The foam sleeve locks them tight. Leaflet goes right on top. Customers see that first. Fold, fold, seal straight down the seam. Cross tape for the belt.
Guided by optical fiducials, the placement head lowers a gold-tinted capacitor onto its solder pads.
Okay. Good. Rotate half a degree, aligned, stability check, solid, levels look clean.
In this clean room, every movement is deliberate. Under bright, filtered light, a technician seats the miniature Bluetooth board into its fixture and lays down a component no wider than a...
Readings climbing, 34, 35, and click.
Got it. Torque logged. Signal stable at 6 megahertz.
Dialing the offset.
There.
Check your
Steady
screen.
green. Measurements inspect 39.9.
Perfect.
Each capacitor is matched within 1% tolerance. Leads drop through gold-plated pads, and the body seats flush against the board. A touch of heat, a whisper of silver solder, and the joint blooms.
All right, folks, night shift's inbound. Here's where we stand.
Yes, sir.
Line 3 finished early. Nice work on that. We still owe 12 racks on 4, and seals need a once-over at 1900. Got it. Great, let's roll.
circuit boards glide into a bath of ultrasonic solution. High-frequency waves scrub away microscopic residues, lifting flux and particles from every solder joint. Jets of filtered cleaners sweep across.
Surface looks clean, texture even. Glossy cap, checking for ripple, none. Diameter within spec, etching is sharp, signed and cleared for pack out.
Guided by lasers and vacuum, each component is set down with micron-level accuracy. Capacitors, resistors, microchips, every part is aligned and pressed into place in a fraction of a second.
Beneath the board, a controlled wave of molten solder rises like a metal tide. Each component lead dips in, and the solder instantly clings, forming a flawless joint.
Box count? 31 so far. Next one's coming. Seal looks clean, dropping it in. Scanner's happy, stacking left side. Carton's full, closing it up.
Dimensional check within tolerance. No visible defects recorded.
A matching network the size of a grain of sand drops into place and is soldered in a single, clean touch. With the clear cover sealed, the speaker is ready for its...
Sweeps coming up past 4 kilohertz. Levels look clean. Yeah, the distortion dip is holding. These ridges are smoothing out compared to last week. Let's mark that. We'll try the ceramic cube next with the same curve. Copy. I'll cue the profile. We're getting there.
Backing off the inspection bolt. Threads feel clean. Lubricant levels a little low, charging now. You can see it come through the sight glass nice and clear. Pressure holding steady at 45. Seals
screw. In slow motion, every detail of the assembly is frozen by strobe light. The screw locks onto the magnetic bit, threads catching perfectly in the aluminum body. Torque.
All right, folks, we get another batch of housings this afternoon. Anything from last night we should carry over?
Tolerances were tight but good. The press line slowed a hair when we swapped dies. If we tighten the checklist, we can shave a few minutes.
I love that.
Resonance right at 32.6 hertz. That's tighter than last run.
Housing looks perfect. 049B. Matches the sheet.
In this lab, each loudspeaker is challenged by the same signal chain. Dozens of reference microphones listen, while software maps every detail of their response.
A measured bead of flux wets the gold pad, spreading in a controlled wave. Surface tension carries it into every recess, priming the copper for solder to flow cleanly.
Every component begins its journey here, inside the preparation bay, where dust and oils are banished before assembly. Ultrasonic waves shake loose the smallest particles. Control...
Margin note for traceability. Date stamp, good impression. Next record, still on schedule.
Shielding gas keeps the molten pool clean, producing a...
All right, consignee matched, print. Declaration for the speakers, signature here, and today's date. Ready to ship.
Every piece has its place. Calibration tags tell the story, inventory speaks in barcodes, and every surface is ready for the next job.
flush, mesh true, no lift around the radius. Good seat check, solid. Gap 0.42 millimeters, right on spec, tagged and ready for ship.
Once the part is seated, the system verifies orientation automatically. Watch the gripper pick and transfer. Got it. Listen for the pressure change. There. Torque spec is 2.35 newton meters. It locks when correct. Matches the sheet.
Excellent. Sliding the polypropylene cap into the C2 position, leads drop straight through. Seating it flush keeps the body vibration free. Bending the resistor legs to the R1 pads, tight.
Capacity looks balanced now. And updated. Everyone should get the new schedule in a minute.
With the spindle locked on its coordinates, the carbide bit plunges into the anodized aluminum, boring a mounting hole for the speaker assembly. Continuous chips peel away in tight silver curls.
Switching over to the modular cart shaved about 11 minutes per run last week.
If we map that against the idle time chart, we could actually see a bigger drop, maybe 18%.
That aligns with what maintenance logged.
Each part drops across a laser gate and is counted in real time. The system reconciles the total against the production plan with every beep. When the verified quantity is reached, the bin is sealed and moved to staging automatically.
Every hour, tons of discarded material stream through this recovery line. Magnets, air jets, and vibrations separate metals, plastics, and glass with precision, guiding
Electrical cabinet ID'd, labels intact, breakers secure, no heat signs. Pressure gauge 95 psi, within range. Emergency stop tested, reset normal. Thermal check on exhaust.
Rotating jets deliver a controlled cascade of alkaline solution, stripping machining residues from the housings. Each angle is covered. A synchronized air curtain follows.
Pairing, handshake looks solid, signals locking in, test sweep, noise floor drops to spec, peak at 402 right where it should be, connection stable, that's a pass.
Down. Inside the curing chamber, bonded speaker assemblies ride a slow conveyor beneath controlled amber light. Heat cycles climb and hold with precision, activating the
Okay, the serial matches. I'm saving the registration now. I can confirm it's been activated on your warranty, and you'll receive the email in a few minutes. Moving on to the next one.
All right, here's where we are on line 3. We hit 92% yesterday.
If we push maintenance to the afternoon shift, the morning crew can start at 7 sharp.
And that'll keep the target of 400 units by noon within reach.
I'm flagging the part shortage in yellow.
Frequency sweep looks flat within a half dB. Distortion's under 0.1. Phase is locked. We're just running dynamic range, and then we're done.
Cycle time variance 0.8%. Root cause traced to transfer station B. Downtime tags show bearing wear. Swapping the module should recover 2.4.
Torque set and locked.
Cradle engaged, running sweep. Pass confirmed.
Final pack completed. Jump.
Final inspection approved. Ready for shipment.
Each finished speaker is cushioned in molded pulp and sealed within a clear protective shell before being boxed. Automated tape heads secure the cartons, and printers apply international shipping labels with tracking codes and handling icons.
Copy that.
Pilot 9, Singapore mark, ready to scan.
Drop it tight against the back wall, then we're good. Lowering now.
From a single workstation to the span of an entire floor, every movement here is orchestrated. Robots assemble, weld, and test. Materials flow on belts. Data pulses through the net.
As the final shift clocks out, the factory hands itself over to automation. Systems stand down, doors seal, and the network of cameras wakes. One by one, the indicators flip from green to red. The plant...
Good run today. Numbers look solid.
Yeah, smoothest shift we've had all week. See you all in the morning. Drive safe.
You too. Don't forget it's Taco Friday tomorrow.
Wouldn't miss it.